Soyez le bienvenu, mabuhay po tayo dyan, and welcome back po with Learn French for Filipinos with Lourdes. Formation civic po tayo? Okay, because formation civic est obligatoire. And one of our objectives for the formation civic est connaître ses droits et devoirs en tant que résident ou citoyen français. Know your rights and responsibilities as a resident or French citizen. Okay, question. Qui peut demander une interruption volontaire de grossesse? Qui peut demander une interruption volontaire de grossesse? Who can request a voluntary termination of pregnancy? Okay. A. Toute femme enceinte, any pregnant women. B. Le conjoint uniquement, the spouse only. C. Le médecin uniquement, the doctors only. Or D. C'est l'État or the state. What do you think is the answer? If you can request a voluntary termination of pregnancy. Okay, we'll check. Et la bonne réponse est A. Toute femme enceinte. Any pregnant woman. OK. Justification. La décision d'une interruption volontaire de grossesse appartient à la femme enceinte dans le cadre légal prévu. Ni le conjoint, ni le médecin, ni l'État ne peuvent se substituer à sa décision personnelle. The decision to request a voluntary termination of pregnancy belongs to the pregnant woman within the legal framework. Okay, there's a legal framework. Neither the spouse nor or the doctor or the state can replace her personal decision. Okay? This is called the abortion. Okay? Et en France, le délai légal pour avorter dépend de la méthode choisie. We have les IVG médicamenteux est possible jusqu'à la fin de la septième semaine. After 7 weeks of pregnancy, okay, 7 weeks. 7 weeks is, so 5, 1 month and a half. De grossesse, soit 9 semaines après le début de dernière règle, ou 9 weeks. 9 semaines, c'est 9 weeks. Après le début, le dernier règle, after the menstruation. So 9 weeks, if it's 5 weeks vacation, 5 weeks for 2 months, 2 months and a half, 2 months. Que la IVG médicamenteux soit pratiquée en établissement de santé ou en ville or hospital, okay? Not in the hospital, because the abortion is legal in France, okay? But until 9 weeks only, because if there's already after 9 weeks, you cannot do it anymore, okay? So before that, you know that you're pregnant. If you don't like it, don't hear the abortion is legal in France, but not in Philippines, okay? So if you have a baby, okay, if you like, we should have the baby. If not, you can abort it here in France, okay? And if it's the baby found they found the baby, the fetus was sick, then they will remove also, instead of taking care of a handicapped child. Okay, it's very sad, but it's the reality. Okay, because here it's like the religion, the state and the church is separate. Okay, they are separated. I hope it's clear. So please don't forget to like, subscribe, at mag-comment po. For more videos, merci beaucoup. Au revoir tout le monde.